Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video for Bead Box Bargains. I know you guys are probably waiting for my Tucson hauls, but I'm going back this weekend, so I kind of want to do it all together. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. I'm so excited to go back. I know I was just there on Saturday, but I'm very excited to go back. So anyway, Bargain Bead Box or Bead Box Bargains always sends a gift. Ooh, I haven't seen these on their website before. These are nice. They're nice spacers. You guys know I love spacers. I haven't seen, I would have bought these if I had seen these before. Oh my goodness, I really like those. If they have them again, I'm gonna have to get them. Those are really cool. First thing that I'm seeing are these cat beads. So I'm allergic to cats. I don't really enjoy cats that much because I'm allergic to them, but I like the way cat beads look these days. So we have some like rustic looking ceramic cat beads. I just love them. I got 2 sets. I can't remember how much they were. Probably under $2. So, and then you get 30% off if you're one of their subscribers. Oh, I got 3 sets. So those are so cute, and everyone's a little bit different. I mean, they have the same theme, which is cats, but I think they're handmade, so I think those are really fun. Okay. Next, I have some crystals. This is a smaller order, by the way. I just check every single time after I do an unboxing, and then all of a sudden they have some beautiful beads. These are some crystals, half silver, half black. Those are cool. I don't have any crystals like that. And it looks like I got 2 of those. So I'm just going to put them all in the same bag. Looks like the strand broke, but that's fine. That doesn't affect the beads at all. Okay. Next, looks like I have a few strands, smaller strands. Of Czech Glass, of course. So we have some 6mm lilac or lavender and mint. It's one of their new color combos, I guess. I've been seeing them a lot more in the melon shape. I got some cathedral beads in green and like a terracotta. Those are so cool. I thought they were going to be a little bigger, but that's what I get for not paying attention to sizes. And then same cathedral beads in like aqua and brown. Now aqua, gold, like almost like a purple and cream. Those are really fun. I love those. And then, yeah, this was one of my smaller orders. I got some more metal beads. I was gonna say spacers, but they're a little big to be spacers. Looks like a 5-piece. These are really cool. Get patina those, but I really like how they look that way. Antique silver. Oh, of course I dropped one right away. And then I also got 2 different styles. So I got some matte red maple leaves, and actually I have checked their website lately, and they have new maple colors, so I'm gonna have to get those. They have some cool colors up right now. So these are the matte red, metallic red. Love those. Those are so fun. I got looks like 3 sets of those. And then last but not least, I got the same metallic matte red in these flowers. I love these metallics that they've been having. And they've had some gold lately, and I think maybe silver too, but I'm just, whatever color they come out with in these metallic finishes are going to be fantastic. I wish they would come out with a turquoise one. That'd be really cool. Or a purple. Anyway, very small haul from them. I really liked it. My favorite things, surprisingly, are the freebie, because these are really cool shape. Nice triangles. I really like these cathedral beads. I like both of them, actually. But This is just a really neat color combo, that emerald green with the terracotta and these flowers. So let me know what you thought. Like I said, really tiny haul. Check the link below if you're thinking about subscribing to Bargain Bead Box. If you use my link and the coupon code below, you'll get $2 off your first box. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye-bye. Stay tuned for Goldie. You happy?